Let's cut to the chase. Smelling good is crucial for a guy. It's not just about personal hygiene. A pleasant scent can make a lasting impression and immediately attract women. But not every guy is born with natural charisma and an appealing fragrance. Step 1. Take a shower. Begin your day with a morning shower. It's non-negotiable. The body produces significant sweat during sleep, and washing it off is essential for a fresh start. Use a quality body wash. I recommend Dr. Woods' organic option. Focus on areas often overlooked, such as armpits, balls, and ass. Maintaining cleanliness here is crucial for combating dirt and sweat. Step 2. Hair care. Tend to your hair every 3 days with a combination of conditioner and shampoo. Apply conditioner exclusively when skipping shampoo to minimize frizz. Consider enriching your hair with coconut oil for a pleasant scent, moisture, and overall health. Use this time wisely by washing your face with a cleanser in the shower, maximizing efficiency. Step 3. Fresh breath. Before brushing your teeth, employ a teaspoon of coconut oil for 3 minutes. It diminishes bad bacteria in the mouth and banishes bad breath. Always spit it into the trash to prevent blockages. Follow up with an electric toothbrush, a tongue scraper, organic mouthwash, and dental floss. A comprehensive approach not only ensures oral hygiene, but also leaves your breath smelling delightful. Step 4. Shaving. Maintain cleanliness by shaving your armpits and the lower region, preventing the accumulation of bacteria that leads to unpleasant odors. Use a waterproof shaver like Manscaped for safe and effective grooming, especially in the shower. Step 5. Cologne and deodorant. Apply deodorant generously, especially under freshly shaved armpits. Invest in a reputable cologne. Nivea for men is recommended. Strategically apply it to create a subtle yet captivating aura around you. 2 sprays on the neck, 1 on each wrist, 1 behind each ear, and 1 on the chest. Master this art for an enduring impact. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.